name is Ruth. I work for Gabs Bedding. Gabs Bedding is a manufacturing company based in Gaborone. We manufacture furniture from base sets to lounge suites. We also have kitchen sponges that we supply to the retailers. Our brands include Sleep Logic. The other one is Posture Logic. And then we do have lounge suites as well that we supply to the local furniture stores in the country. The company started in 2000, and at the time we were only focusing on base sets and mattresses. And then we got into the lounge suites. And then just a few years ago, we started on to manufacturing the super scrub. We supply our base sets to stores like Fenmart, countrywide. We supply them with our lounge suite as well. And we, apart from Fenmart, we supply Game with the Sleep Logic beds and the foam mattresses. We supply Sefalana. We supply OK stores, OK furniture stores with the lounge suites. We supply Breadlows, which was Supreme before. We do supply Carnival furniture stores as well. Most Batswana, they really appreciate products that are manufactured locally. Just last month, there was a street market that was done at CBD with the minister. And Batswana, they were very impressed with the products because we also had our products displayed there. They were very impressed. Most of them, they just wanted to know if this is really manufactured locally. So all I can say is, like I've just mentioned, the stores that carry our products, they need to get to the stores and ask for products that are locally manufactured, not only on the furniture business, in everywhere they go, because the more they get to buy the local products, that will create more jobs, because the manufacturers at the factories, they will start getting busy because there will be more orders coming through from the retailers, and in that way we'll need more people to do the job. So that will create more jobs, and definitely that will improve on the economy of the country at large.